What is going on, YouTube? Back with another video. So today we're going to be doing something that is like highly unrecommended, but we're going to do it anyway. We're going to be first taking this wheel off, then we're going to take the spring out of there, and we're going to grab a saw. We're taking this saw and we're going to be putting it directly to those springs and see what we got. I'm kind of doing this safely a little bit because I did look at some videos that were kind of saying how to safely do it or whatever. So I'm gonna try my best, but I'm getting coilovers anyway, or I'm planning on getting coilovers anyway. So why not? This is how we currently sit as of now. The back is a little bit lower. This side is higher than the driver's side, but we're sitting with pretty much a lot of gap right now. But with this saw and a little bit of brains, we can get it done. All right, nice. All right, got two 19s here, so rip this off. Got a couple things still attached to the strut, so. All right, these are 12s. Shots free, cool, boom, knuckles hanging, good, good. Now we go up top. All right, so we have also 12s here for the strut, like the top hat. All right, so cool, yeah. The top hat is also 12 mil. I don't want the strut to just fall, so I'm gonna hold it with my right hand. All right, like I said, do this at your own discretion or whatever, because it's not safe, nor is it recommended, but you know, it is what it is. I've done it multiple times though, so that's probably the difference. Boom, not that bad. I've had them shoot further out than that. All right, so there's a way to do this, proper way to do this. And you can see here where the spring sat before. So you kind of want to make sure that you cut it to where you don't kind of mess up the integrity of the construction of the spring. So you don't want to heat it up to cut it, because basically chemically changes the metal on the spring. So don't heat it. You can use a zig wheel. Basically, I'm going to mark it too, but go around to about right here, cut it about right here. And there may be enough. I don't know, because they say if you want to take off an inch, then or 2 inches, then you shave off like something like an inch or whatever. I forget, but like I said, this is a straight up winging it type of video. So we're gonna just cut here, put it back on, and see what we got.